Are you struggling to stand out on LinkedIn? Or maybe you're just starting and you don't know where to start. In today's competitive job market, having a professional LinkedIn profile matters a lot and is crucial. Do you know that more than 70% of the companies come to LinkedIn to hire professionals or employers? And do you know more than 60% of the employers look at LinkedIn profiles before making a hiring decision? Whether you're a job seeker or looking for internships or aiming to build professional connections for your own business, having a strong LinkedIn profile matters a lot and is crucial. So, I'm Hemant Kumar, a data analyst with over a year of experience on working on projects. I have completed more than 2 internships with certifications. So, I'm going to help you build a professional LinkedIn profile with a compelling headline, professional summary, leveraging your skills and recommendations, and more. Stick around until the end. I'll also give you a bonus tip. Now, one of the important steps in building your LinkedIn profile is your image. You need to have a professional image. So for that, you can take any photo of yourself, at least a very good photo that is. So just take some photo like this, and the background does not matter. We will remove it. I'll also show you how to remove your background and edit it. We'll be using all free tools here available on the online to build your profile, okay? There is no need for you to worry. You can just go and type any background remover photo. I already have a background remover where I have my account. You just need to sign into this. This is not sponsored by any of that. Slazer.com, okay? Here we'll just upload our image. Let's go with profiles. And let's upload this. It will remove the background for you. So yeah, your background has been removed. So all you can do is just download this one. So the image is downloaded. Now let's upload this image and we'll edit it professionally, okay? So we'll be using Canva, a free software tool for our editing, okay? I'll give the link of all the free tools I have used in the description below, okay? Now let's click on Instagram post page. We are not going to post an Instagram post. We are just selecting a template of that. Now click here and upload your photo, the one that you have downloaded, okay? Come here, just drag and drop over here. Your photo is uploaded. Now click on it. The photo will be placed here. Before going to do any of that, just let's make a different background color, okay? See, yellow. Now let's do this. So make sure your face is visible to them, the potential employer looking at your profile. So this is enough, I think. It's good, at least looking professionally. Okay, you can improve it more if you use premium tools also. Now click on download. It will be downloaded. Just wait for some time. So now that's downloaded. Let's click here and we'll add photo, the one that we have downloaded just now. Click on here, open, and here, there you go. Click on save. As you can see, your profile is changed. Now, the other one comes is your LinkedIn banner. Your banner should look professional, okay? So now we'll also use Canva to do this. Now let's go here and search for LinkedIn. As you can see, LinkedIn banner. Click on this. And you can just go for the category, select all the free templates that are available to use. Now I'll select this one. It looks good. I mean, that's all you need, right? Now you can simply click on this and edit it yourself. Now that looks good, right? So all you have to do is just download this again and upload to your LinkedIn profile banner, okay? Now we'll come back here again, click on this, edit profile background. Select the image that you have downloaded and just click on apply. There you go. Your profile banner has been uploaded. It looks professional. You can also add some more details to it if you want to. Now, as you can see, this is your link for your LinkedIn profile, but we don't need this one right over here, right? It does not look that much to be remembered. So let's edit that out. So let's make it like this, Hemant Makala. That's my name. It is much easier for people to search with my name, right? So let's save it. So it will take some time for it to be adjusted. Just wait for some time, okay? As you can see, the profile link has been updated. So this is much easier to remember rather than the previous one we have seen, right? Now the fourth step is let's add a headline to your profile. So to have a very good headline, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT and ask it for a compelling headline. I've already done that before I've uploaded my resume here. Okay, all you have to do is go here, upload, and click your resume. Okay, you have to upload your resume, and it will read your resume, analyze it for you, and you can ask the question like this. Okay, based on the details in your resume, here is the LinkedIn headline that highlights your skills, experience, and current role. It shows as like this because I have asked the question, give me a LinkedIn headline based on my resume. Okay, so it gave me this. It looks good, right? Click here on the icon, go here, your headline, just copy paste it. And there is no need for you to have this much big, but you can remove the last bit if you want to. It looks good, right? Now let's save it. As you can see here, this is your headline: data analytics enthusiast, YouTube content creator on data analytics and AWS, skilled in Python, SQL. It looks good, right? People can find out who you are just by seeing your headline. That's what matters. It should be compelling. And let's add an about section, your professional summary of what you do and who you are and what field are you working. Okay. For this again, we'll also use ChatGPT. Go back here, just ask for ChatGPT for a professional summary of your about section. Okay. So you can simply ask this. So it will give you a professional summary of yourself. All you have to do is copy this, come here, click on add profile section, go for core, select core, it's already selected, click on add about, and just paste your professional summary. And here you can add your top 5 skills, the most important skills of your skill set. Okay. And for also this, you can also use ChatGPT again. You can go back here. As you can see, according to my resume, these are my top 5 skills. And if you do not already have a resume, you can simply ask your job field. Like if you are in field of data analysis, you can simply ask ChatGPT as I'm in data analysis field, I'm a data analyst, give me my top 5 skills. It will give you can simply copy paste them. So there you go. I have successfully added my top 5 skills over here. And all you have to do is click on save. Now, if you go down here, your about section will be updated. Okay. Make sure to include some keywords in here so that people can easily find about whenever they type this particular keyword, your profile will be on the top. Okay. Now let's add more section. You can go here again, go for recommended, go for core again. You can add skills over here. And here you can add all the skills of whatever field you are in over here, and your skill section will be ready for you. And now coming down here, you can see your top skills. You can add more than top 5 skills. I just added 5 of them, but if you want, you can also add more of these skills. And if you come down here, you'll have education. You can also click on edit here and add all your education details. Okay. And now coming to the 7th step, which is feature section. Here you can add your achievements or your highlights, something you've done you're so proud of. Okay. It will help you highlight your profile even more. Go back here again, click on add profile. Go for recommended, click on add featured. Here you can select anything you want. Look here, add a post, an article, a link, or media, anything you like. So I'm going to add my portfolio project over here. As you can see here, I've added my portfolio link, the title, and my portfolio description with my portfolio thumbnail. Okay. Now click on save. So this is the featured one of my website. Let's go and look how it looks. It looks good, right? People can simply go to your portfolio and they can see what projects you have done. You can also add post or any other media or any certifications that you have completed. Okay. And now coming to step 8 is your certifications, licenses, or any achievements you have done. Okay. Let's add some certifications and licenses. Click on add profile and go for recommended again. Click on license and certifications. You can add your own any certifications that you have completed. I'm going to add mine. Now I have filled the details. I also added some media over here. Now click on save. Now you can go back and check your license and certifications. Now show credential. If you click on this, it will take you to the site where I have successfully completed my certification, and here is the proof of that. And now don't worry if you do not have any certifications. CODTECH IT Solutions is providing various internship trainings and job training opportunities for various individuals out there who are looking for certifications and training. Okay. I'll give you the link in the description below. You can go and check them. And don't worry if you even don't want that, you can go online and you can find many online courses out there which provide you certifications and licenses. Okay. And now after building all that, it will show you something like this. So do not worry, there is no need for you to complete all of this. If you're a fresher and you haven't been into any jobs recently, do not worry about this. You can leave it as it is like this if you are a fresher. So you have completed your professional LinkedIn profile. You can also further enhance this using your own set of experience and skills and educations and certifications and adding more skills and projects to this. I will show you my personal profile at the end of the video, okay? And now we have completed your LinkedIn profile. What to do next? You need to stay active on LinkedIn. Being active on LinkedIn is the most important thing because it will keep you updated with new things and let others know that you are here, okay? So how can you stay active on LinkedIn? Simple, be active. Like, you can post any post related to your field or anything on LinkedIn. Not anything, you should not post any random ones that are not professional on LinkedIn. You have to be professional and post professional post on LinkedIn. You can be active, and let's see how to post a post on LinkedIn. Go here, click on start a post, and simple, you can post anything. And also, if you do not have any ideas what to post, you can simply go back again and again. You can ask ChatGPT about. If you just ask ChatGPT, it will give you a very good LinkedIn post for you. This is related to my YouTube, so do not worry about that. Just copy it again, paste it. There is no need for you to go and ask ChatGPT each and every day. You have to improve yourself, okay? This is just for example purpose. Like, it will give you some ideas for you and simply post. And also, what is the one more thing that you need to know? You have to engage with your followers or connections you're following or any people on the LinkedIn, okay? Main thing is that you have to work with employers and potential recruiters, okay? You have to be in contact with recruiters. If you are looking for a job and job opportunities, you have to be connected with them, stay in contact with them, message them about that you are looking for a job and show interest that you are ready to do a job, okay? So now coming to the job part, let's look at how to look for a job on LinkedIn. Let's go and search. I already searched data analyst. Click here. It will directly take you to the job filter. Here you can go back again and you can check people. If you want to connect with the people, then simply go and you can see that there are a lot of people on the LinkedIn, okay? This is a new profile, so it's not showing the connect button to me. Now click on jobs. You can find a lot of jobs over here, and if you like this particular job, click on apply. It will take you to the particular site where the job application process will be there. And if you want to simply apply, you can also find easy apply on LinkedIn. Click here, fill in the details, and here you have to upload your resume. Simply upload it and click on next, review. All you have to do is submit application. That's all. Your application is submitted, okay? That's how you apply for a job on LinkedIn. Now you can also connect with people. You can also find companies. You can also find recent posts about this. These are the recent top posts about data and analyst, okay? So that's how you stay mostly active on LinkedIn, and also give you a bonus final tip, okay? I have told you, right? Now go to your profile. If you already have connections on your profile and more people are trying to connect with you over 100, 200 or 300, and you don't know those people, but you still want to be connected and still want to grow on LinkedIn with more than 500 or more than 1000 connections, you can make it simple. All you have to do is go back to your settings, and with the recent updates and changes on LinkedIn, they have removed the option of creator mode, but you can still use follow. I'll show you how to do that. Go here, click on settings and privacy, go to visibility, and you have your connections over here, and followers, it is not enabled, all right? Everyone on LinkedIn who can follow you. So enable this, make follow primary. Then it will allow you to other people on LinkedIn to follow you without having the request of connect with you. It will make you much easier for people to be connected with you, because if they follow you, then there is no need for you to approve that follow. They can simply follow you. If it's a connection thing, then you have to approve that, and it will take some time for the other people. And also it will avoid you to, potentially connect with someone you don't know, all right? Or you're hesitant to connect with them. Follow helps you grow on LinkedIn more and more. It will also help you with a lot of post and creation stuff. Now, as I have promised, I will show you my personal LinkedIn profile. You can judge it for yourself. I'll also provide this link in the description, and simply you can go and type the URL over here, right? This is my personal profile, okay? As you can see here, these are my feature sections, and these are my recent posts. This is my experience section. Okay, if you have any experience, you can add that. This is the most boost of your profile. This is also one of the bonus boosts that I was talking about. Okay, and education and my licenses and certifications, you can see a lot of certifications here. And this is my portfolio project, as I've showed you, and there are more than 40 plus skills for me. And yes, and I have over more than 500 followers as of now. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you a lot, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.